Hello friends, today we are going to make patra, which is nothing but colocasia leaves. For that, first we will need 300 grams of gram flour. Now we will add half tablespoon of hing, then 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. We will add some garam masala, which is totally optional. We have also added some dhana jeeru powder. Now we will add some ajwain in it. We have already added some green chili and ginger paste in it. Now we will add some salt as per taste. Now we are going to add some tamarind pulp in it, which will make it a very good taste. Now we will make a very good batter out of it. Now we will mix it well. We have added some water in it. We will not add all the water at one time. We can add it gradually. We have added 2 tablespoons of oil in it and some water to give it a flowing consistency. There should be no lumps there in our batter, so that it gives a very good patra. We can add some jaggery also in it to give a sweet taste to it. These are washed colocasia leaves whose branches is already trimmed. Now we'll apply the batter which we made before. We'll apply it gently so the leaf doesn't get torn. Now we will take a smaller size of leaf than this, whose front part will be in the opposite direction. Now we'll apply the batter which we prepared it before. Now we will take the smallest leaf and put it in the direction which first leaf was kept and apply the batter gently. I will roll it from the front side and apply the batter there. Now the lower side will also roll and apply as we did in the upper side. Now we'll roll from the side and apply batter. We will go on rolling and applying the batter Now we will roll it. The shape. This dish is very famous in Gujarat, and you surely try it once, and please comment down below how was its taste. Now we will put it in a boiler and boil it for 20 minutes. Our colocasia leaves are cooled down and we have cut it into fine pieces. Now we'll have to fry it. We have added some oil and rye and jeeru in it. Now we'll add some hing. Here we have taken anise seeds and sesame. Anise seeds and sesame. Sesame is not roasted. If you want, you can take roasted ones also. Now we'll mix it with the help of a spoon. Now we'll add in sugar syrup with lemon juice in the. Now we'll slowly add the colocasia leaves in the oil which we heated. Now we will put in coriander. As you can see, they are looking very tasty. Wow, very good smell is coming from them. As we have completely roasted them, we will add the coriander in it. If you want to add more coriander, you can add it. Now we'll mix it and then put it in the serving plate. As you can see, we have served it in the serving plate. Please try this recipe once and comment down below if you like it. Like, share and subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you.